So you have just created your AI coloring page and you want to use it for your book. There's no way you can use it when it has this shading on it, right? So you want to switch from that to this, right? And you know that you can do that with some tools on Canva, but the results will just not be as clear as they are here, as realistic as they are here. So I'll show you guys how I change from this to this in a heartbeat, right? I'll show you guys how I use a free tool to achieve this. So normally I use Photopea. Photopea is free, but there are features that are available with a subscription. But currently for the things I'm trying to show right now, you can get with the free version. So you'll open from computer, go fetch your image. Here is the image, just uploaded it, and then I'll try to increase the zoom. Oh, oops, sorry. So normally what happens is when that happens, I've just touched an area I shouldn't have. I'll just go to edit and step backward, yeah, and everything will be fine. So what I want to do is change this black shading to white. So I'll go to paint bucket tool, which is over here. Click on that and then ensure that the color picker is on white, right? The top part is on white, right? Okay, and then I'll just click in and immediately it will switch. Click in, immediately switch, click there, and anywhere else that I can. I've just zoomed in so I can get these small bits also to white, because normally with AI, you know, there's a lot of gray areas. There's a lot of gray areas throughout the entire image, and you can totally change a lot of the bits of it to white. So you just click wherever you do see any gray, you just click in and ensure that you switch that to white. Yeah, so of course I would take more time to change these other parts. I did that with the image that I just showed, this specific one. Just click in, then, you know, zoom back out, click in on the tummy, click in on the hand, and wherever else you see there's need to change the color. Yeah, pretty much. And then when you're done, you'll just come over here to File and Export as PNG, right? Then you'll be able to save, and then the image will be downloaded to your computer with the new changes. It will be now downloaded in your new color scheme. Yeah, there you have it. Simple. Thank you guys, and please subscribe to my channel for more.